July 30th, 2025, 5:14 p.m. And here's a cicada. It's almost dead. It was just laying here. Still moving. But I just thought we'd take a look at it. And see if I can just turn over. Oh! I don't want it to. I just wanted to get a look at it. It's on its back. I wanted to get it to turn over. Are these the annual cicadas? I have no clue. I wonder what happened to this guy. What made him die? Probably the dust. Whew. It rained, so it helped a little bit with the smell. But the smell is just terrible. Still can't stand the smell. But we're moving out of here, so that's the main thing. 3.5 weeks. I'll be out of here. Alright. Thanks for watching. God bless, and keep strong in the Lord. Keep praying. Keep seeking Jesus.